Warren Buffett, his full name is Warren Edward Buffett, is an American businessman and a philanthropist. He was born in Omaha, Nebraska, in the United States on August 30th, 1930. Buffett, who defies traditional investing pattern to accumulate a personal fortune of more than $100 billion, is the savviest investor of the 20th and early 21st century. In this episode, we will talk about Mr. Buffett's journey and unique culture that he creates for his employees. For more episodes, please subscribe and like our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Unique hiring method of Warren Buffett. The recruiting process at Berkshire Hathaway is usually straightforward, regardless of the candidate's function. This is even though the firm received many resumes from people interested in working in the company.
My job as the leader of Berkshire Hathaway is to have visions and goals for the company overall with a long time horizon attached to them, and then to get those goals accomplished through other people.
The following is a rundown of what to anticipate throughout the hiring process at Berkshire. The procedure for applying for a job. Suppose you are interested in working at Berkshire. In that case, you first need to submit an application for employment to Human Resources Department, which is hiring new employees. The business does not often accept employment applications submitted in person. Instead, they give preference to applications submitted through their website. Therefore, to work in Berkshire, you must go to the company's official website and the job area. When you go to the website, look for the position that most suits your interest. Then you take the job title. You will be sent to the page where you may establish a candidate profile, as known as an account, to finish the application. Creating a profile or account will provide you with the ability to monitor the status of your application at a later time. Assessment test. The majority of the time, Berkshire will not administer an assessment exam. An evaluation exam is required for just a few roles in employing new talent. The candidate's previous experience is often considered while designing the evaluation exam. During the portions of the evaluation exam devoted to English, verbal thinking, and mathematics, primarily square root and fractions, your evaluation will make sure that you do not utilize any assistance such as calculator for math. Likely, you will only have 30 minutes to finish the exam, but you will be expected to do it in that time. The process of interviews after the candidate has shown that they are qualified for the job by passing the assessment exam. The next step in the recruiting process is often an interview. But even if you weren't asked to take any tests, you should still anticipate having an interview once your application has been evaluated and it has been determined that you are qualified for the job. A preliminary conversation which a candidate takes place over the phone at Berkshire before they are invited for an in-person interview. The in-person interview you would have with Berkshire Hathaway will not include much. You will need to respond to specific behavioral questions posed by the interviewer, and you will be finished in less than 40 minutes. In addition, the interviewer will evaluate your level of expertise in the position you seek and the extent to which you are enthusiastic about working for the firm. If a candidate wishes to succeed in the preliminary examination, it is recommended by several industry professionals that they come well prepared for the interview. The interview preparation may seem challenging, but they are the only method to impress the interviewer and ultimately obtain the job. Consider the following advice for your subsequent interviews. Perform some research on Berkshire Hathaway as a business. You need to be aware of their fundamental principles and what they want most from an employee. This may be useful throughout the interview. The person conducting the interview must not see you looking away. Make an effort to keep an eye contact. Doing so conveys that you are confident and not afraid of the other person. Make sure you can be heard well and that your responses are clear and concise. Make sure you go to the interview location in plenty of time and dress appropriately for the occasion. Now, how long does the Berkshire Hathaway hiring process typically take to complete? After an interview has been completed, Berkshire will be in touch with the applicant within the next 8 working days. However, there are situations when the positions you are applying for will decide when you hear from the recruiters. For instance, if the person is interviewed for a management position, it may take over a month to hear back from the HR department on whether or not they have been offered the job.
I look at a business, we're going to hold it forever. If we got the right businesses and the right managers, it's going to work.
What does Warren Buffett look for in job candidates? Still, the billionaire investor regarded as the Oracle of Omaha. For his investments, brilliance remains actively engaged with the company's critical decisions that he converted into one of the biggest and most profitable in the world. Warren Buffett is 87 years old and no longer engages with much day-to-day business of operating Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett now likes to think about big pictures concerns affecting the company's long-term goal rather than spending much time in interviewing possible applicants for available jobs. This is because he does not spend much time doing so. Nevertheless, Buffett has maintained a consistent set of standards by evaluating possible applicants for employment with Berkshire Hathaway. These standards are used in the hiring process. In an interview with Nebraska Business Magazine, he discussed 3 essential characteristics: intelligence, energy, and integrity. In an interview with an alumni publication for the College of Business Administration at the University of Nebraska at Lincoln, which is where Buffett earned his degree in business administration, he was asked that what qualities he looks for in potential business partners. He responded, "You look for 3 things. You look for intelligence, for energy, and for integrity." He considers honesty is the most crucial of these 3 attributes. He says, "To me, every single one of your business students has the necessary amount of intellect and enthusiasm. Your DNA does not automatically provide you with integrity." Suppose a person in the business field does not exhibit integrity. In that case, they risk developing a negative reputation, either as a dishonest person or as someone too concerned with pursuing their interests. Buffett notes a student of college age can pretty much decide what kind of person they will be at the age of 60. They will not have integrity in the future if they don't have it today. It might be challenging to break free from the shackles of routine at times. Students have the opportunity to make their chains. Finding a role model. Along with these guidelines for choosing an employee, Buffett also provided his strategy for finding a powerful role model that one may aspire to be like. Just choose someone you admire and ask yourself why you appreciate them, he said. Generally, it is because they are decent, generous, kind people, and those are the kind of people to emulate. That's all there is to it for him. According to CNBC professional who study relationship with the workplace, agree with Buffett. Numerous studies have shown that finding a suitable mentor and working with them may benefit one's professional life and career development. Mentors can assist their mentees in being more productive, gaining abilities in critical thinking, and becoming more resilient in the face of adversity. The tide has undoubtedly shifted against Buffett, as the billionaire is sure to focus on many young investors searching for their role models. Although the principles of intellect, enthusiasm, and integrity hold important attributes in workers across several businesses, it is impossible to understate his involvement in fashioning Berkshire Hathaway into a magnificent, successful company.
We buy when they're ready to buy. It's ready to sell. And I don't go out prospecting. I let my interests be known, but I get a lot of people say, well, why don't you call on this person? Why don't you call on that one and, soften them up? Or,
Sure.
and I don't do it because my batting average would be terrible. You've got to wait till they're ready to do something. And that's when we hear about companies.
So what is it like to work for Warren Buffett? Exciting opportunities await those who choose to work with Berkshire. Many people, including those who work with you, are generally lovely and eager to provide you with the support you need in any circumstances. You have various opportunities to learn more about your area of expertise as an employee. You may also carry out your job responsibilities utilizing the most up-to-date technologies based on your role. The organization's management makes it a point to pay attention to the concerns and requirements of the workforce at all times. On the other hand, Berkshire is one of those corporations that does not guarantee the continued employment of its workers. How does Berkshire Hathaway motivate its employees? Berkshire Hathaway is interested in hiring new and experienced employees looking for long-term career in the automotive industry that offer many prospects for advancement in responsibility and money. Their mission to acquire talent focuses on three primary facets: luring the most talented individuals, encouraging and ending individual development, and enhancing the working environment. Berkshire Hathaway is looking for candidates with a business spirit who share our morals of consistently improving personal ownership and, most importantly, building an environment focused on the customers. Culture is the most valuable asset, and we are looking for candidates who share these values. Berkshire Hathaway does not engage in discrimination based on one person's race, color, religion, national origin, sexual orientation, sex, gender, identity, age, status as a protected veteran, or any other characteristics that's applicable and legally protected. Berkshire Hathaway is always on the lookout for strong leaders. The way forward is clear. Berkshire Hathaway experiences expansion if the company provides satisfying service to its clientele. There will be more significant opportunities for promotion due to Berkshire Hathaway continued growth. Berkshire Hathaway is known for promoting from within and empowering domestic talent. Berkshire Hathaway invests in your future, and as a result, they are all rewarded with increased amount of business and connection that they are formed along the way. Since Berkshire Hathaway started, they have used this strategy to grow their company over the last 65 years. So now, how does Berkshire Hathaway reward its employees? Berkshire Hathaway's goal is to construct powerful teams that are comprised of people of higher caliber. One of how Berkshire Hathaway accomplished this goal is through organizing yearly national and regional awards, programs, and competitions. These events make it possible for the company's best performers to be acknowledged and applauded. The contribution that workers are recognized and celebrated by Berkshire Hathaway. They have awards for automotive elite sales. It's a recognition for service in the automotive industry. A contest involving a service walk-around. A contest based on a walk-around the stores award for achieving excellence in serving customers. Prizes for managers and departments of the finance and the insurance department.
You have huge imbalances in the world, and you have lots of people on hair triggers trading currencies and stock and bonds. You have the potential for catastrophic days.
Now let's talk about the employees' benefit at Berkshire Hathaway. Which advantages does Berkshire provide to its customers? Health and wellness, as well as insurance, financial and retirement planning, health insurance, 401k plan, family life and parenthood, flexible or reduced working hours, time off and holidays are provided, special offers and discounts, legal assistance, professional assistance, and on-the-job training. The unique culture at Berkshire Hathaway. So now, the culture at Berkshire Hathaway is built on an ethical code that encourages honesty and integrity, as well as a focus on the customer, long-term thinking, and the company overall mission. The tone set by those in authority affects the society. The following is the list of the primary message that the CEO and Chairman Warren Buffett has consistently communicated to the many companies that make up the company itself. Never let your reputation slip. Manage your company as if it were the only asset your family will have for the next century. Honesty should always come first. Integrity, strength, and stability are the cornerstones of Berkshire Hathaway's approach to doing business. After reading about Warren Buffett's hiring strategy and techniques, we hope you have some idea. That's all for today's episode. If you have any questions about this episode, please feel free to write it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and give this episode a thumbs up. It will help the algorithm to promote our channel. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.